So well, beautiful people, how you guys doing today? Hope you guys are good. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jane Frances Izunye, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to transform your used braiding hair into this afro kinky Mali hair that you could use for so many hairstyles. So welcome everyone. Please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see how we move from this to this, definitely keep on watching. So remember this braid, you guys, that I installed sometime around October, or was it September? I don't remember, but if you haven't seen this video, please check that out. I'm going to leave the link for you up there and in the description box. So I did keep it for 3 weeks and took these braids down, and this is what we have. I decided not to throw this out, so here we go. So I started off by washing this used braiding hair. First off, I tied it into sections for easy washing, and then in a clean bowl I poured some water for demonstration purposes. You can wash this in your shower, in your tub, in your sink, whatever, but this is just for demo. So I just added some shampoo and make sure this lathers really well. So I plunge the braiding hair into the water and let it soak there for a while. So now that it has soaked for a few minutes, you can see that amount of build-up that is coming out from it. So much build-up, gunks. So I just keep pushing this into the water to make sure that all of that dirt comes out. Once that is done, I take it out of the water, let that drain out a bit, and then plunge that into a clean water for proper rinsing. So I rinse this thoroughly and then take it out and allow it to air dry completely. So this is what it looks like, completely dry and clean and smelling nice, just like my shampoo. So at this point, you can take this out individually, brush thoroughly and use if that's what you're going for. But this is not where I'm stopping. I just take one piece at a time, brush thoroughly, and use my good old tiny long straw to curl that. So I just place it like so around the straw and twist and turn until no single strand is left. So yeah. Hey there, have you subscribed to the channel? If you haven't, please subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up. It helps YouTube distribute this content to more viewers. And comment down below if you have any questions and I'll be there to reply you. So once I was done curling all of the hair, I pour hot water over it with a conditioner to reduce the frizz you get with this, and I'm gonna let this air dry overnight. So guys, this wasn't overnight. This took literally 4 months. You had me right. 4 months, you guys. I was really busy and I couldn't get back to this. So now we are here. I just took that out of the straw and trimmed the ends just like so. Now I'm going to separate the curls. I'm not taking that till the very end. As you can see, just watch the video. You're gonna see what I'm doing here. Now guys, can you see how elastic and pliable this looks? I like this. You can use this for literally anything, for locks, for twists, anything you feel like you can use kinky hair for. So yeah, and just like that, we just moved from this dirty used braiding hair that you could have trashed to this beautiful clean kinky bulk that you can use literally for anything you wish to. So I just packaged it inside this wrap until I was ready to use it, and that is basically all there is to this, you guys. And guys, this is what I used mine for, alongside this dark brown kinky bulk, and this looks really good if I do say so myself. I did get a lot of compliments wearing this. So remember, you can use this for invisible lock twist, you can use it for spring twist, you can use it for locks, butterfly locks, anything guys, just name it. And that is it, you guys. And please subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends and family. You never know who could need this. And thank you for watching. Stay fabulous, stay blessed. See you on my next one. Bye guys.